This is my DIY kit. I personally am not a professional when it comes to this sort of thing with soldering. In school I always had people helping me. I found the instructions far too convoluted and I could never really do this sort of thing by myself. However, with this DIY kit, things have been made incredibly simple for me. As you can see, there are all the instructions nice and plainly laid out for me to follow, even if I seem completely clueless. Living alone in China, I've had to do DIY, repair and maintenance without any help from my father or any of my friends, and therefore this has been very useful. As you can see, it is very well packed and packaged, therefore very portable. So let's have a look inside. Okay, so in here, this is the stand the soldering iron is set onto. We have the soldering iron here, and these can be used in combination with the solder is here, this little coil here, in combination with the wet sponge, and using this you can reconnect wires. Very, very good for repair work if you have any fractured wires that need reconnecting. Then this is incredibly beneficial for that. So here we have another component of the soldering iron. So this is where it connects to the wire. As you can see, it's quite a long lead, and therefore you don't have to be hunched over a plug socket to be using this. And these all make up the stand. Here we have the solder. The solder pushes through this hole here, which you then use the soldering iron to burn down, and then you can apply it to broken wires and anything you need maintaining. That is what this is completely useful for. This is the sponge which you use to wipe off any solder that you do not need and cool down the soldering iron before you then begin to burn down the solder again. Using this product has made my life far much easier in terms of repairing sort of wires and maintaining things all by myself without any help from anyone, due to the plainly laid out instructions and this easily carryable, manageable and portable kit which is all kept in.